Assalamualaikum grade 7 students online with computers. Grade 7 students, now we are going to start chapter number 6, functions in QBasic. After reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to QBasic. First step is describe functions in QBasic. Discuss string functions, mid function, string function, lowercase, uppercase, left, right function, length function, string function. Discuss numeric function, exponent, integral, value, absolute function, square function, mod function, ASCII function or ASCII code. Describe date and time functions. QBasic supports two types of functions. First is user defined function, second is built-in or library function. The built-in function are also known as library function, and library function is also known as built-in function. They are very helpful. Built-in function or library functions are further divided into two types. First is string function, second is numeric functions. String functions. A string is a group of characters, numbers or special characters which are enclosed within double quotes. The functions which operates on the string are called string functions. Mid function. The mid function is used to get the specified number of characters from the middle of a given string, and the syntax of mid function is as. This is the syntax of mid function. First apply string, starting position, number of characters. Example, CLS means clear screen. Welcome, the adjoining code will print. Number of character, mid, string, starting position, number of characters which you want to display or end. The result or output of your word is come. String function. The string function is used to display a string with a certain number of repeatedly characters. For example, print string function for s returns s 4 times. String functions repeats your command or program according to your command. Next topic is lowercase and uppercase. The lowercase function is used to convert the given string into lowercase, and uppercase converts the given string into uppercase command. Example, lowercase, this sentence is written in uppercase form, and lowercase command display this sentence into lowercase, and uppercase command display the text in uppercase command. This sentence is written in uppercase form and this sentence is written in lowercase form. Lowercase converts uppercase into lower, and lowercase are sentence written in lowercase form displayed in uppercase form by using uppercase function. Uppercase, the sentence is written in lowercase. Lowercase, the sentence is written in uppercase, and the result of uppercase is this, and the result of lowercase command is this. Left and right function. The left function is used to display the string character starting from the leftmost position, and right function is used to display the string character from the right portion of the string. For example, print left hello friends 5 returns hello, because the left words consist of 5 characters and display the hello. Print right hello friends 5 display the right words or right portion of the characters. Len function. The len function is used to get the length of the given string. The number of characters present in the string will get printed on the screen. And in length function also include the space within the sentence, and this sentence display the length of 21. String function. The string function is used to convert number to its string representation. Online with computer plus string 7th. Give the output online with computers grade 7th. String online with computers grade. Let x is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Apply operation. String online with computers a function plus string x will display the output online with computers grade 7.